Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Milton Rubin Chevrolet. Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. Today we're covering our adaptive cruise control and forward collision assistance systems. So we're doing a quick little test drive in this brand new Chevrolet Blazer. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set the cruise control here as we get behind this vehicle. We'll do that by turning the cruise on and pressing set. Now I've got the cruise control set at about 40 miles an hour, and you'll see the vehicle is actually going to slow down and accelerate on its own based on the speed of traffic in front of us. Now I'm not touching the brake or the gas, and it slowed us down to about 25. And then as this traffic accelerates again, it's going to pick the speed back up for me where I really don't have to touch the accelerator. Now this really isn't meant to drive through town, but you can use it on some of the major arteries through your local town there. And then we also have our forward collision alert. So if the vehicle in front of me slammed on the brake and I didn't have the cruise set and I was distracted by the radio or the children in the back or my phone's ringing through the screen there, it's basically going to give me an alert through the seat. That's our haptic feedback system. We get a buzz and the seat will let us know, hey, there's something going on in front of you and I need your attention. And then if I don't take action quick enough, it's actually going to step on the brake for me to either lessen the severity of the impact, or it could possibly prevent an impact depending on how much space we have between us and the car in front of us. Now again, you can see the traffic is slowing down. My foot is not on the accelerator or the brake, and the vehicle has slowed down on its own. So this is a great safety tool for those of you who spend a lot of time in the car and are distracted again by the children or the phone ringing, the boss is calling, whatever the case is. As always, if you have any questions about the safety equipment or any other technologies in our Chevrolet products, you can always give me a call directly at 706-609-5847. And if you have a suggestion for what we should cover next week in Technology Tuesday, drop it in the comments below the video. Y'all have a great week.